Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about GMI Cloud. GMI stands for General Machine Intelligence. You can think of GMI Cloud as a platform which is built to make AI models simple and scalable. So instead of you worrying about managing complex infrastructure, you can just focus on building and deploying AI application while GMI Cloud takes care of all the ABITR. See, one of its standard feature is the serverless inference. Basically, it means that your AI model can run on demand and you are only charged when they are actually being used. So in this case, you don't need to keep your expensive resources running all the time. And It's very easy to use GMI Cloud. First what you need to do is you have to choose a model from the model library, and later you need to connect it through the serverless inference, and you can just start sending the request to the model. So as your application grows, you can scale up to dedicated GPUs for a better performance. It is also very easy to track usage, cost, as well as performance through their dashboard. In short, GMI Cloud gives you a very easy path to shift from serverless AI inference to dedicated GPU infrastructure, all through a single platform. In the next video, I will walk you through the entire process step by step, from how to create a API key, as well as to choose a model, as well as how to use their studio. Thank you very much.